Margarita, salt rocks, big margarita. Thank you. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that fish looks amazing. Oh, thank you.
We got roasted octopus. Rush is gonna.
Good.
That looks so good. Here, Rush, get a fork in there.
Let me try some of this.
Oh yeah, you're gonna love that. Here, try that.
Like chicken, huh?
Yeah, perfect.
You have another plate here, baby.
There you go. That's good. How's the fish, Rowdy?
Bussin'.
Busted. Mommy? Get some guac?
Guac and tacos. Okay, stop eating the lime.
Ice cold Bohemian style beers. Let's see it, Rush.
Can we try the coconut?
Drink it down. Fresh coconut. Take a sip. Yeah, Rowdy. Take a sip of that coconut.
Let me see yours. This is hilarious.
Oh, 5 minutes we got. Come on.
We have to walk all the way back.
So you walk about 400 yards, it's right there.
Okay.
You see the people.
Yep, go. Harry.
Can we
Come back in 10 years?
Yes! Yes! You're the big daddy!
They gotta be 16 and 18 in 10 years.
17.
Turning 17 in Zihuatanejo.
Yes.
Deal. Is that nice?
That was just, I mean, words can't even, I mean, we just watched something that nobody, you know.
Very few people.
Very few people. Ugh. Poor Rowdy. I feel your pain, man.
Yeah, that happens.
Oh, that literally happens to mommy every day, baby.
Yeah, but you get sand there. That's the problem.
That's why I like the... I'm gonna cut out all your wires.
Mm.